Okay, quick check-in. See what's going on here for you guys. $24 return to $55 abundance. Okay. So in the video I did yesterday, I was discussing this need to go within because there's too much external chaos. And so what this hexagram is about is returning to your own path. So some of you guys may have strayed a bit, and that's not to freak anyone out. It happens. Anything external happens that kind of shocks our system, creates distortions in our mental field, emotional field, etc. All it is a gentle recalibration back to your center, okay? Finding your home base within yourself and following that forward instead of whatever was going on out here, okay? As far as the light body goes, your energy field reacts first, okay? It's essentially the quantum reality structure that your reality is based off of, okay? So if your energy field gets pulled off center or distorted, like your energy field can literally be pushed to the side. Your soul essence can be pushed out of body. It can rise above your body. There's all sorts of things that can happen with your energy field. And so what you may be seeing is the results of the energy field being dislodged or disoriented, or your consciousness or your soul essence, okay? So what you're being asked to do is bring it back to center. And how do you do that? How do you return to your own self, to your own path? You do that through meditation. You're going to want to probably do the violet flame meditation and centering visualizations, okay? I have the core breath meditation in the school, and you literally just breathe energy, your energy field into your central column and ground it, okay? So that's what's needed right now. I'm going to read the lines, changing to abundance here. Once you recenter, reground, and get back into alignment with your true self, abundance comes in. This is 55. This is field overflow, radiant climax of light, potential, and spiritual intensity, the peak moment before restructuring. It also means abundance as far as financial abundance, flow of opportunities, spiritual abundance, okay, joy, happiness, all of that is part of 55. Okay, so let's see, changing lines here. We have 3, 4, okay. Turning back to late creates friction. Don't wait for a collapse to choose truth. True return restores frequency quickly. Inner sincerity accelerates healing. So there is a choice point here for you guys. You have to make this shift now. If you wait too much longer before returning to your correct path, there's going to be a potential for a collapse. Okay, that's not fear mongering, but what's happening is your field is kind of like getting pushed to a threshold where if you don't return to your core and your rightful path now, that there's going to be more complications, okay, than necessary. So do the inner work to reset, reground, come back into alignment now, and continue to hold those frequencies and those energies so that you can come into and to receive this abundance, okay? Whatever this abundance is, it could be an abundance of light. It could be new light codes coming into your field. It could be DNA activations. It could be literal finances. It could be manifestations coming in, okay? And all that's required is that you come back into center, okay? I hope that was helpful. Sending you love.